I made over $2,500 in profits with a cryptocurrency trading bot called Eazybot. All of this is pure passive income, so once you're set up, you have nothing to worry about and let the bot do the work. Today, we're going to talk about my full review of my Eazybot 2022 journey and my total income numbers. Watch until the end of the video, guys, to have a chance of receiving a $5 airdrop. We start right away with letting the cat out of the bag. So I made $2,509.13 in pure trading profit, which equals about 21.3% in just 6 months. So that means I made 3.42% monthly passive income with Eazybot since joining on June 26. One question I get asked a lot of the time is, what are your best performing coins? Because I'm in the very pleasant situation that I let every single coin run. But a lot of you guys trade like 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe up to 10 coins. So you really want to find out which are the most profitable options. My top 5 performers have been Polygon, Dogecoin, Aave, Chainlink, and Solana, and all of them are way above 20%, with Polygon even going up over 30%. Now this doesn't come as a surprise because Polygon itself is performing very well in the last 6 months. But coins like Solana, who went down to almost $8 and still managed to put in 25% in profit, might be a little surprising. With a cryptocurrency trading bot like Eazybot, you will have different kinds of waves in the market. So you'll also have different kinds of numbers every single month. So you cannot expect to have 3.42% every single month. So in my last 6 months, those are my exact numbers, starting off very hot in July with 5.46%, followed up with a very solid August with 3.65%, then had a little downtrend in September and October, went down to 2.75% in October, and then had a massive month with 6% profit in November. And actually we closed down the year with the worst month so far in September with 1.06%. Now keep in mind, Eazybot does not make the waves. We are always reliant on the market situation. So we need up and downtrends. The more pump and dumps we have, the more money we make with Eazybot. Let's check out actually my total profit chart. So you can see my daily profit. You can see every single day since June 27 here in the graphics. So we started off with $2,500 in capital, raised it up pretty quickly to about $7,000 in mid-July. A month later, in mid to late August, we made the $15,000 investment in trading with that ever since. So today we have over $17,000 in my Binance account by only letting the bot do its work. Very big question is also, like, how does Eazybot perform against market conditions? In May, Eazybot opened up a performance account with every single tradable coin and $1,000 in the balance for every single coin. And since then, every single week, we track the results from every single coin against the crypto market, and those are the results. So this portfolio since May made 24.8% average throughout the coins, while the crypto market lost 42.5% of its value. And I think this is the right moment to say that please keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor and none of this is financial advice. We are in a very volatile market and cryptocurrency is very risky as an investment itself. At the same time, past results are also no indicator for future profits or losses. Also keep that in mind. It only shows known facts of the past. If you want to know more about the Eazybot performance over the last couple of months, you can also check out Eazybot performance page. Now, what does Eazybot have in store for us in 2023? They already announced 2 live events in the next couple of months. Firstly, we have the January live event in Orlando, Florida. This will mark the 3rd live event in Orlando from the executive team, and you will have the chance to meet them, have a Q&A with them, have a chat with them, have dinner with them, all that kind of stuff, so you can really get in-depth knowledge about the bot and the persons behind them. But the big announcement was obviously the Eazybot anniversary event in Dubai on March 17th and 18th. This will be a 2-day event, including meetings, Sahara Safari tour, office tours, dinner with all the executive members, including CEO Muhammad Ali. Another great opportunity to get to know everybody involved in the program and just get an inside touch on the company. Now, if you're interested in how Eazybot works and what it does, I will have a link down below in the description. This is my personal referral link. As soon as you register for an account, I will immediately contact you with all the details on how to get started. But let's give a quick overview. There are a couple of requirements. So Eazybot needs $600 or $300 per bot, 600 on Binance and 300 on KuCoin. You will need a Binance or KuCoin account, given that all your funds will stay in your personal exchange account, so you will have full control over that, and you're connected through an API connection from your exchange account to Eazybot. You'll need USDT, BUSD, or USDC as your base currency inside those exchange accounts, and obviously need a long-term and steady mindset to make some profits. You can also check out my YouTube channel. I have a full step-by-step introduction for Eazybot. I also have a very long and large interview with the executive team member coach Ken. I have a video about the strategy of Eazybot and how it works, and I also have a video about the auto compounding strategy of Eazybot. Thank you guys so much for watching, and in case you are already an Eazybot user, please like and subscribe. And if you want to have the chance to get a $5 airdrop, just comment down below your Eazybot ID number and why you love the bot so far and what it's done for you. With that being said, we see each other in the next one. Bye bye.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream